Hi guys, it's Miss Martin. Got a lot of things going on the screen, but what I'm going to talk to you about today is using the division table that I sent you to help you when you're converting improper fractions back to mixed numbers. Okay, so here are the steps over here on this side. Step 1, find the table for the denominator. Step 2, find the dividend, which is the first number in the column, and that's closest to your numerator, and you don't want to go over. You can't go over. You have a bigger number, but you can have a slightly smaller number, right? Step 3 is going to be look at the quotient, because that's going to tell us what our whole number is. And step 4 is subtract your numerator from your dividend, and then we're going to use that difference to create our fraction in our mixed number, okay? So here is how we can start. The first thing I'm going to show you is step 1, find the table for the denominator. So our denominator, as we can see right now, is 6. And what I can do right now is leave that 6 right there, because my denominator won't change even when I switch to a mixed number, okay? So that denominator is going to stay the same, and I need to find the dividing by 6 table on my chart. Well, you can see here that I've got it, right? I've got my divide by 6. And what I'm going to look for, step 2 told me that I need to look for the dividend that's closest. So my dividend that's closest to the numerator, my numerator was 27. Okay, so that means I'm going to look all the way down and say, okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, stop, because 30 is too big. That means I can't pass here. It's got to be one of these, and the closest one here is 24. So this is the one that I'm using. Okay, I'm going to use this box. All right, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. I'm going to rewrite that on our other sheet because it's the only box that I'm going to need for right now. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. All right, so let's move back to our whiteboard. Maybe you can do it for him. All right, now we're back in our whiteboard, and we can see that we've picked out the one with the correct dividend. So change my color to match step 2, which is red. The one with our dividend was 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Okay, so this is the one that doesn't go over. Now, the quotient, step 3, that's the answer, is our whole number. Our whole number is going to be 4. All we have to do is look at the end and use that number. Our whole number is going to be 4. Okay? Now that that's done, let's take a look. Sorry. All we have to do for step 4, the last step, is do the numerator, which is this number, minus the dividend, which remember was that first number. We said the dividend is the first number in our number sentence. So I'm going to do 27 minus 24 equals. And the difference, the answer that I get here, I'm going to put that over top of my denominator in my mixed number. So 27 minus 24 is, well, if I start at 24 and I count up, 24, 25, 26, 27, that's 3. So the difference is only going to be 3. And I'm going to take that 3 and put it on top of my denominator. So 27/6 is equal to 4 and 3/6. All right, there is my mixed number. So those are those steps. Look at the table with your same denominator. Our denominator was 6. I found the 6 table. I found the dividend, meaning the first number, with the closest, that was close to my numerator without going over. And I look at the answer, the quotient. That's my whole number. That's how many wholes are going to be in that fraction. And then we just take the numerator of our improper fraction and we subtract the dividend in that number sentence. And we say, well, how many were left over? How many did we not cover by filling out the holes? Well, it was 3. So I subtracted that and I just put it on top of my same denominator, okay? So hopefully that's helpful, friends. If you have more questions, please email me. And again, always check my YouTube page or the playlist on my YouTube page for help. Okay, thanks. Bye.